In this CallFluent AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that uses the power of AI in order to actually call people and sell them your stuff and to even answer calls from people calling you, all using AI. This is something amazing. I'm going to show you it in action inside of this review. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out CallFluent AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says new AI tech lets you profit from phone calls even if you've never picked up the phone for your business before. It has let our human-like AI answer calls, nurture leads, and close deals at any hour. Finally, an effortless way to tap into phone sales even if you've never tried before. So this is a really cool way of being able to do telephone marketing. You can do 24/7 phone calling and answering, human-like voices, instant call answering, appointment booking. You can actually have it connect to like a calendar. It has all these different connections like API, technical things that you can set up. Don't worry, they have training on how to do all that. A one-click call widget, so you can actually have people call right on the web with this. Now you can sell this as a service to people, so you can actually go up to people and say, hey, every time someone calls you and you're missing a call, how much is that worth to you? Like, is that worth $500 to you just to miss out on that? Because what happens when someone is looking for a service, like if someone is looking for a plumber, they call someone, if that person doesn't answer, what happens? They call someone else and that person that picks up the phone gets the business. So it's a really cool service to be able to provide people. You can do it for digital marketers, I mean, coaches, anyone, dental offices, medical offices, lawyers, coach, I mean, all these different people can use this service, not only for outbound calling, but inbound calling. So there's two different ways of using this for your business. There's even an option, I'm gonna show you in a little bit, to get the rights to be able to even resell this to people. So this is pretty cool opportunity. They've got, the agents are empathetic. They understand like emotion. They understand intent. Like if someone's looking to buy something, let's say you have it call someone and the person is interested in purchasing and you want to connect them to a real person, you can do that as well. So that's kind of neat as well. You can kind of have it, if you've got like a list of 1,000 people you want to have this call, and then you only want to talk to the 50 people that are actually interested, then those are the ones who actually get your sales team to sell. Anyways, they say step 1, design your human-like AI voice agent. Step 2, you can shape its personality and conversation flow and kind of design the way that it talks to people. And then you deploy it and they say, watch your sales rocket. Of course, you're going to need to tweak it. And you can actually see the conversations. So you can actually see what people are asking, what the answers it's giving. It's really neat. It's definitely a cool tool that they've developed here. I'm excited about it. Now you can do automatic follow-up scheduling, web-based calling, so you don't actually have to have a phone line in order to do this. You can use the web-based version of it as well. You can scale it up, etc. So I'm going to scroll through this. You can look at more of this on your own time. But they do have a front-end license. If you purchase it through the launch, you get access to 3 AI-powered phone agents. They have 360 calls included, 360 minutes of talk time. And you can get more if you get the upgrades. I'll talk about that in a second here. But you can get this one if you want to do it. And they have it all, tutorials and everything. Their team will help you set everything up. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you a real example. We're going to call it up and do a live example of it. And I'm also going to show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Every single day, 13.5 billion phone calls ring across the globe, but over half of them go unanswered. That's a silent profit killer for any business that's stuck in old-school phone systems. But get this, the $21 billion AI phone automation boom is about to flip the script. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to seize this money-minting wave before it just washes away your competitors' wasted profits right into your pocket. Imagine if every call was answered, every lead was qualified, and every sale was closed with human-like precision automatically day and night. Yeah, I know it sounds like a futuristic sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you could do just that without hiring an army of humans that could cost you thousands of dollars. In fact, we've been using the same methods to schedule over 1,478 hot leads that made $190,606 in sales in just the last 90 days. But here's the hard truth. Missed calls cost businesses millions every year. The latest statistics show that 62% of incoming calls to businesses, they go unanswered. And customers, well, they hate being put on hold or dealing with voicemail, with 74% of them hanging up in the first seconds. And hiring, training, or managing staff, well, it's expensive, it's time-consuming, and it's stressful. Every missed or delayed call isn't just an inconvenience. It's a silent profit killer. Once those callers hang up, they turn to your competitors instead, taking their wallets with them. But what if you could flip the script and turn every single call into a revenue-generating opportunity without lifting a finger? This is where CallFluent AI comes in. CallFluent AI is your all-in-one solution for automating business calls. It's like having an entire team of professional agents that are working for you day and night, but without the overhead costs. So here's how it works. Answer calls instantly. Your AI agent responds to customers in real time, professionally and accurately. Make sales calls. Your personal human-sounding AI is on the front lines of your sales, making cold calls and follow-ups efficient. Qualify leads effortlessly. The system gathers key details and filters out time wasters. Schedule appointments automatically. No more back and forth. Everything's booked seamlessly. And the best part, setting it up is so simple. There are no tech skills needed. Here, I'll let Adrian, the founder behind CallFluent AI, show you a quick demo.
Hey, this is Adrian, the founder behind CallFluent AI, and in this quick demo, I will walk you through the 3 simple steps to get your AI phone calling and answering agents up and running in just minutes. So step number 1, you create your agent by clicking on the plus sign. You just select the agent type to make or receive calls. Just give it a name and select a hyper-realistic voice from many of the voices that we provide over here. You choose the phone number you want to link it to your agent. In step number 2, you customize it to fit your brand. So make it sales or a support agent type, or even in lead engagement. You can select the tone from professional to conversational, humorous, and many more. Let's go with conversational. You set your agent's main goal, okay, and then you set your background of expertise of the agent. And then you prompt in your special instructions, behavior, how to behave, how to interact with the customers. And also we provide you a phone call script to dictate the flow of the conversation, so you have more granular control over where the discussion is heading and where it's supposed to always end up in. And once you're done, you just hit save and close. And step number 3, you simply just copy paste a single line of code on your website or use your webhook to send data to, and you go live. Activate your agents and watch it handle calls, book appointments, and close deals automatically on your behalf. And you're done basically in under 60 seconds. Now let's test it out together, shall we? And just hit call me now. There we go, we're getting the call. This is live.
Hi there. Thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is Lisa. I'd be happy to help. May I have your name, please?
Yes, hey, this is Adrian.
Great to meet you, Adrian. What service would you be interested in today?
Yeah, I'd be interested to book an appointment for teeth whitening.
Thanks for that, Adrian. Let's see what we have available. We have openings tomorrow at 9 a.m. or next Wednesday at 2 p.m.
Tomorrow 9 a.m. would be great.
Perfect. Please allow me a few moments to schedule that for you. Are you there?
Yes, I'm still here.
I appreciate your patience, Adrian. Finalizing your appointment now. Perfect. I booked you for teeth whitening tomorrow at 9 a.m. with Dr. Smith. You'll receive a confirmation by text or email.
Okay, that was actually amazing. Thank you so much for all the help.
You're very welcome, Adrian. Glad I could assist you.
How amazing was that? It just took me 60 seconds to configure my own scheduling appointment setter. Just plug and play technology.
Powered by the latest cutting-edge AI voice calling technology, CallFluent AI has already helped hundreds of businesses slash labor costs and skyrocket their conversion rates. In fact, this is the same software that we've been using to get these unparalleled results. 1. We got our calendar overbooked with pre-qualified leads. 2. We turned 10,000 minutes of calls into 190,606 of generated revenue in the past 90 days. Imagine waking up to a full pipeline of booked appointments, confirmed sales calls, and satisfied customers without hiring extra staff or worrying about unanswered phones. Your business runs like a well-oiled machine, both day and night, while you finally focus on bigger goals like scaling, innovating, and taking that long overdue vacation. So why does CallFluent AI outperform any traditional phone system? 24/7 phone calling and answering. You never miss a lead again. CallFluent AI works around the clock. Human-like neural voices build trust with empathetic, natural-sounding conversations. Instant call answering. Keep leads from cooling off or jumping to a competitor. Hands-free appointment booking. Zero back and forth, your AI books it all. Multi-language support. You can engage global prospects in 30-plus languages. One-click call widget. Turn curious site visitors into engaged leads with a single click. Now, when you put it all together, you have a 24/7 sales powerhouse boosting revenue on autopilot. We're so confident in CallFluent AI that we're giving you a full 14-day money-back guarantee. Go ahead and test drive the power of AI-driven calling risk-free. And if you're not thrilled with the results, well, you don't pay a penny. Here's the catch, though. Our early bird launch deal is only available for a limited time, and after that, the price jumps and it switches to a monthly subscription. So go ahead and click the button below and secure CallFluent AI right now before this exclusive offer disappears. Are you ready to turn every single call into a profit-driving machine? Then click the button below and get instant access to CallFluent AI, your 24/7 phone assistant that never misses a beat. Act now and transform your business today. I look forward to welcoming you inside the members community just minutes from now.
Okay, so we're back. So I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to do a real example and have it call me. Now, while I do that, I'm going to go and I'm going to have it so that you guys don't actually see my screen here. So let's just come back to me for a second. Here we go. Come back to me. And I'm going to put my information in here, put my phone number. I'm going to have it actually call me. I'm going to click the call button and have it call me. Okay, so right now, we're getting a phone call on this. So this is kind of neat. It's calling me up and we're going to answer it.
AI, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm interested in purchasing CallFluent. How much is it?
That's awesome to hear. What specific features or services are you looking for?
I'm just looking for the basic version.
We have a couple of packages.
Yeah, I just want the basic version on the front end.
Perfect. You can grab the business package for $67 a month. Would you like help signing up for it?
Can I cancel at any time if I want to?
Absolutely. You can cancel anytime without any hassle.
Are there any extra fees?
The only extra fee would be if you want to add more call minutes beyond the included ones.
Thank you so much for your help. Have a great day.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Have a fantastic day.
That's cool. I mean, that's really neat. I mean, of course, it's AI and it's not going to be perfect, but I think it's a really neat kind of a technology for doing this. And by the way, just so you heard that, he said $67 a month. That's because normally this is a monthly product and they actually sell this monthly. Now, if you get this during the launch, you can get it for a one time. So that's kind of a neat thing as well here. So let's go over here. This is the backend area of the software. This is where you have access to all your different agents and you have access to all the different transcripts and all that in here. I'm not going to show you that because I don't want to show you real phone numbers, but that's what's included inside of here. There are optional upgrades. First one is going to give you, it says you get the full power of this. You're going to get advanced features. This is the professional version. You get 10 agents, you get 5 workplaces, 750 calls per month, 750 minutes per month, 50 voices, 70 languages. If you go over your minutes, it can cost as low as 12 cents a minute to add on. So you can add on more minutes if you need it. They've got also the ability to do webhook integration. So you can have it so you can do like those calendar integrations and stuff. 11 Labs integration, Zapier. They've got enhanced phone transcript templates in here, automated data collection, time zone awareness. So you're not calling people in the middle of the night. That's really important. And all these extra things like superior noise reduction, customer sentiment analysis, voicemail detection, data retention for 6 months, all these extra things. You can put more team members in it with this one, et cetera, et cetera. So this is the pro version of this one. This one is gonna cost you, it looks like, it's gonna be $97 a month for this one. The next one you're going to see is going to be the agency. So you can actually turn this into a passive, they say a passive income machine. You can actually provide this as a service to people, and you can make it so that you are providing this and really turning this into a like client workspaces. You're going to have more minutes. You get 1,600 minutes with this. So if you need more minutes, this is what you want to get. Then you want to start charging like $997 a month to set this up for people and get them going with it. So that's going to be the cool thing to do with this. Once you learn how to do it, how to set it up, they're not going to want to do it themselves, but you can actually set this up for them and do that. So that's a pretty cool one here. And then there's the white label. So this one you can actually rebrand it, have your own call center. They're not going to know that you are using someone else's software, and you're going to be able to sell this really as a service with the white label. And you get even more minutes with this as well. So all these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about CallFluent AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, you will need to set it up. You will need to get in there. You want to make sure that you're putting things in correctly. You want to make sure that if you're doing any kind of web hooks and calendar integration, it might take you an extra 15 minutes to set these things up. You might have to go ask the support a question and whatnot. So if you do complicated things with it, it might take you a little bit longer to do, but could be worth it. What do I like about it? I think this is really cool. I think it's a really neat opportunity, especially if you want to approach different businesses and set this up for them, not only just for them calling people, but for them receiving calls. It's a no-brainer for a lot of these businesses, especially if they miss one customer. How much is that worth? If they miss 5 customers a month, if they miss 10 customers a month, how much is that worth to them? You can save people money and you can make money at the same time. It's a no-brainer. Thank you so much for checking out my CallFluent AI review. If you'd like to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.